In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private 5 minutes. If you're managing sensitive work, setting a project to private is a simple way to ensure only the right people can see tasks, comments, files, and timelines. Let's walk through it together from sign in to locking down visibility. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. Enter the email address associated with your account, click Continue, then type your password and choose Login. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, just follow those prompts as they appear. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home where you can see recent work and your sidebar of teams and projects. Next, open the project you want to make private. You can click it from the sidebar, your home shortcuts, or the recent section. This brings you to the project's main view, whether that's list, board, timeline, or whatever you used last. At the top of the project header, look for the Share button. Click it to open the Access panel, which is where visibility is controlled. In the Access settings, find the drop-down that shows your team or workspace access. This setting controls who in your broader team can see the project by default. Click that drop-down and choose Private to Members. As soon as you make this selection, the project becomes restricted, so only people who are explicitly added as project members can open it and view its contents. A quick note on what that means in practice. Private projects remain fully functional, but visibility is limited. If someone isn't a project member, they won't be able to open tasks or attachments inside it. If a task appears in multiple projects, it may still be visible to people in the other project, so keep that in mind when cross-listing tasks. It's a good idea to double-check who's currently a member to ensure the right people retain access after you make the change. If you don't see the Share button or the Team Workspace dropdown, you may not have permission to change visibility. In that case, a project owner or an admin in your organization can update the setting for you. And if you ever need to revert the change, come back to the same Access panel and select a broader visibility option again. That's it. You signed in, opened your project, used Share, and switched the Team Workspace setting to Private to Members. Your project is now protected and visible only to the people who need it.